discover the ultimate collection of 20 coolest woodworking tools every smart woodworker needs. From precision measuring gadgets to powerful cutting and finishing tools, these must-have innovations make projects faster, easier, and more precise. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tools will elevate your craftsmanship and help you tackle any woodworking challenge with confidence. Perform Quick Clamp. The Perform Quick Clamp is a heavy-duty, hands-free clamping system and portable workstation designed for large projects. With up to 1,000 kilograms of clamping force, reversible jaws that handle materials up to 1,050 millimeters wide, and a stable tripod base, it delivers unmatched power and stability. Non-slip pads protect surfaces, while integrated footplates allow extra leverage. Durable steel construction ensures longevity, and its foldable, wheeled design makes it easy to transport. Perfect for professionals and DIYers needing a versatile, powerful clamp. Saker T-Square Carpenter Ruler. The Saker T-Square Carpenter Ruler is a versatile, all-in-one layout tool, combining a folding speed square, angle finder, and marking gauge. Its innovative foldable design lets the 12-inch square compact for easy storage while providing a larger marking range when unfolded. Made from durable aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and ABS plastic, it resists bending and breaking. Clear, precision-etched scales, scribing holes, and an adjustable angle finder ensure accurate lines and angles. Ergonomic grip enhances comfort and control during use. Seven-inch Rafter Square Set. The 7-inch Rafter Square Set is a versatile carpentry tool ideal for framing, roofing, and precise woodworking. Typically including a 7-inch rafter square and a secondary tool like a 12-inch combination or 4.5-inch trim square. These sets offer multifunctional use: framing, mitering, scribing, and leveling. Made from durable aluminum alloy with high visibility laser etched markings, they feature lipped fences, scribe notches, and specialty cutouts. Premium sets may include magnets, bubble vials, and protective cases for ultimate convenience and accuracy. Milescraft 1409 Track Saw Guide. The Milescraft 1409 Track Saw Guide transforms a standard circular saw into a precision cutting system. Featuring a universal aluminum base, expandable 27.5-inch guide rails, and anti-slip strips, it delivers straight, accurate cuts. Its replaceable red guide strip minimizes splintering, while included T-track clamps secure the workpiece. Durable all-aluminum construction ensures stability, and glide adjusters fine-tune precision. Expandable with optional extensions, it can handle full 8-foot sheets. Ideal for workshops or job sites, it offers a portable, affordable alternative to a dedicated track saw. SIGERIO 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Bracket. The SIGERIO 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Bracket is a versatile, modular woodworking jig crafted from durable aluminum alloy for precision and durability. It combines 4 functions in one: cutting round grooves, circle cutting up to 58 inches, engraving round centers, and measuring right angles. Its detachable, modular design ensures easy assembly, enhanced stability, and wide router compatibility. With clear laser-etched scales, adjustable radius, and robust construction, it delivers accurate, clean results for various materials, making complex routing tasks faster and more efficient. ZINIIPEC IP 54 Digital Caliper. The ZINIIPEC IP 54 Digital Caliper is a rugged, high-precision measuring tool crafted from hardened stainless steel. With an IP54 rating, it resists dust and water splashes, ensuring reliable performance in workshops or job sites. This versatile caliper measures outside and inside diameters, depth, and steps with plus or minus 0.02 mm accuracy and 0.01 mm resolution. Its large LCD display, easy unit conversion, zero setting, ABS function, and smooth thumb roller make measurements simple and precise. Comes with a storage case and accessories. SIGERIO T-Square Ruler. The SIGERIO T-Square Ruler is a versatile foldable 12-inch measuring tool crafted from durable aluminum alloy. Its innovative design expands from 7 to 12 inches, combining functions of a rafter square, T-square, mitre square, protractor, and saw guide for precise 90-degree and 45-degree cuts, with clear laser engraved markings, adjustable angles, and scribing notches. It ensures accuracy and convenience. Lightweight, portable, and user-friendly, this multi-functional ruler is ideal for carpentry, construction, and DIY projects, offering precision and durability in one tool. Pomsare Sphere Rotary Burr Set. The Pomsare Sphere Rotary Burr Set is a heavy-duty angle grinder attachment crafted from high-quality carbon steel for long-lasting performance. Featuring hundreds of fine-polished burrs, it quickly removes material while maintaining smooth finishes, ideal for wood carving, shaping, and hollowing. Compatible with standard 4.5 to 5-inch grinders, it works on soft woods like pine, beech, and linden, wet or dry. Easy to clean and perfect for freehand contouring, it's a reliable tool for both hobbyists and professional woodworkers. THORVALD 6-in-1 Carpenter Square. The THORVALD 6-in-1 Carpenter Square 7-inch Master Square is a versatile, all-in-one tool combining a square, protractor, marking gauge, ruler, drill gauge, and wrench in a single compact frame. Made from durable 4mm aircraft-grade aluminum, it offers precise 1/16 inch graduations and laser-engraved high-visibility markings. Unique features include a built-in drill gauge and wrench slot. Bundled accessories often include a 2-in-1 carpenter pencil, pocket spirit level, and protective case, making it perfect for wood, metal, and outdoor projects. Imbot Draw Slide Jig. The Imbot Draw Slide Jig is a precision tool that makes installing draw slides fast and accurate. Its hands-free design and magnetic support arms hold slides securely, while built-in imperial and metric scales ensure perfect alignment. Universal compatibility works with side mount, undermount, and roller slides on various cabinet materials. Constructed with durable stainless steel and impact-resistant plastic, it features a reversible guide rail and non-slip grips, providing long-lasting, efficient, and damage-free installation that can cut setup time by up to 50%. PROBON 25-foot measuring tape. The PROBON 25-foot measuring tape is a heavy-duty, rust-proof tool designed for tough environments. Its stainless steel blade and components resist corrosion even in wet conditions. The unique hollow case allows sand, water, and mud to pass through, making cleaning simple. Featuring a double-sided imperial and metric scale, a true zero end hook, and a secure blade lock, it ensures precise measurements. Some models include a magnetic hook for one-handed use. The durable ABS case and belt clip make it portable and job site ready. EANOSIC setup blocks. EANOSIC setup blocks are precision machined aluminum alloy gauges designed for accurate woodworking setups. Crafted from durable, anodized aluminum, they resist damage and protect blades and bits. Each block is machined to plus or minus 0.001 inch for consistent results. Sets range from 8 to 16 pieces in inch or metric sizes, allowing hundreds of measurement combinations. Laser-etched markings ensure readability, while included foam storage cases keep blocks organized. Ideal for setting router bit heights, saw blades, fences, drill presses, and general workshop calibration. SIGERIO Folding Square. The SIGERIO Folding Square is a versatile, all-aluminum alloy carpenter's tool featuring a unique folding design. It expands from a compact 7-inch size to a full 12-inch range, serving as a rafter square, T-square, protractor, and saw guide. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it withstands tough job site conditions. Precision-etched markings and scribing holes ensure accurate layouts, while the ergonomic design offers comfort and control. Perfect for professionals and DIYers, it combines multiple tools into one space-saving, practical instrument. HAUTMEC 22-inch handsaw. The HAUTMEC 22-inch handsaw is a versatile, heavy-duty cutting tool designed for efficiency and durability. Its 9 TPI triple ground teeth deliver up to 50% faster cuts, while the 1mm thick, heat-treated 65 Mn high-carbon steel blade stays sharp longer and resists rust. Deep gullets ensure smooth chip removal, and the ergonomic anti-slip TPE handle reduces fatigue while providing angle guides for precise marking. Perfect for wood, PVC, drywall, and more. It also includes blade protection for safe storage and transport. EQUIPTZ 6-inch spring clamps. The EQUIPTZ 6-inch spring clamps are heavy-duty clamps designed for strength, durability, and versatility. Made from reinforced nylon with a manganese steel spring, they resist rust and provide a reliable 30-pound clamping force. Soft, non-marring rubber jaw pads pivot up to 45 degrees to hold irregular surfaces securely, while ergonomic non-slip handles reduce hand fatigue. With a wide 3-inch opening, these clamps are perfect for woodworking, crafts, photography backdrops, and securing tarps, pool covers, or garden projects. Olympia Tools 38-736 Woodworker's Vise. The Olympia Tools 38-736 Woodworker's Vise is a robust cast iron vise designed for home and shop use. With a 6.5-inch jaw width, 7.5-inch jaw opening, and integrated bench dog, it securely holds large or irregular wood pieces. Its machined spindle and continuous screw ensure smooth operation, while twin steel guide rails evenly distribute pressure. Durable, powder-coated construction, and versatile mounting options make it perfect for furniture building, cabinetry, woodworking, and general home shop projects. Konload Tree Draw Knife. The Konload Tree Draw Knife is a premium hand-forged tool designed for efficient bark removal and wood shaping. Featuring a 10-inch high carbon steel curved blade, it easily contours logs up to 20 inches in diameter. The one-piece, full-tang handle with non-slip grips ensures comfort and durability during heavy use. Ambidextrous and finely polished for easy sharpening, this versatile knife is ideal for woodworking, timber framing, furniture making, and prepping firewood, combining strength, precision, and ergonomic design in a single tool. ViewReal Carpenter Square. The ViewReal Carpenter Square is a versatile precision tool crafted from high-grade aluminum alloy, ideal for wood, pipes, and more. Featuring laser-etched markings, it functions as a rafter square, T-square, protractor, and saw guide for 90 degrees and 45-degree cuts. Its multi-angle positioning pin allows quick marking of common angles, while scribing holes enable precise parallel lines. Lightweight, portable, and durable with corrosion-resistant anodized finish. Some models also include a spirit level and magnets for added stability and convenience. Kimgsoak Edge Banding Trimmers. The Kimgsoak Edge Banding Trimmer is a durable, hand-powered tool made from high-density aluminum alloy, designed to trim excess edge banding cleanly and efficiently. Its high-speed steel, HSS, blade provides precise, adjustable, and resharpenable cutting, while thickened wear-resistant and rubber pads protect surfaces from scratches. Ideal for PVC, ABS, melamine, and wood veneer, it handles banding under 1 mm thick and overhangs up to 4 mm. Easy to use, it delivers smooth, flush edges quickly for both beginners and professionals. HAUTMEC 16-ounce claw hammer. The HAUTMEC 16-ounce claw hammer is a versatile, precision-balanced tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a magnetic nail holder for one-handed operation, a curved claw for effortless prying, and a vibration-dampening fiberglass handle for comfort, it ensures efficiency and safety. The drop-forged, hardened alloy steel head with rim temper technology resists chipping, while the secure head-to-handle connection provides durability. Perfect for finished carpentry, general repairs, woodworking, and light demolition tasks.